What is the meaning of Ayllu?
Ayllu is an ancient Peruvian Inca word that means family and community.
What was the inspiration behind Ayllu?
I feel that this country is going in the wrong direction, with the recent event of this election. And, I thought about my father, and he is an immigrant from Peru. And when he first came to this country, he met my mother, who's multicultural. She's German. And, she was shunned upon by her family for marrying my father. And when the people from Peru and his friends that he grew up with would come to this country, they would come to our house first, and my father would greet them with Ayllu and hug them and embrace them and tell them that, that their family and community went beyond borders, that this was now their new home.
What is the message you want people to share?
I want people to go out there and tell an inspiring story to make people realize, that we're all one and that we all need to love and respect each other. The more stories you can tell that can inspire others, the more the message will spread. I want to welcome everyone to the Ayllu community.